Thanks for checking out the PS32, the Bosch 12V Max EC brushless 3/8" pocket driver. This is the tool itself, the PS32. It features a 3/8" 3-jaw chuck on the front for quick and easy bit changes. It also has the EC brushless motor, which means it has twice the motor life of its brushed predecessor, as well as being more compact and lighter weight than previous motors, which means this tool is only 6 inches long and 2 pounds, the lightest, most compact in the category. The tool also has 2 speed options, 400 RPM up to 1300 RPM for various applications throughout the day. It has an LED light as well as a belt clip on there for quick and convenient storage. Now, the tool also features a brand new 4x bit tip storage, which means I can actually store 4 different bit tips right on the tool to work with a magnetic bit tip holder on it. Now, the tool also works with our flexible power system, which means it works with our 12V Max Slim Pack and Fat Pack batteries. You can buy the tool as either a bare tool or with Slim Pack batteries as well. Build your own kit in a combo kit, make whatever works best for you. Now, if you want to learn more about the PS32, check out this page, or learn more about all the different Bosch cordless power tools, including the 12V Max and Bosch 18V lithium ion.